Therory 2021, question 9. As you can see, it's a circle theorem question here. Quick and trigonometry. All right, so let's quickly read this. It says, in the diagram below, A, B, C, D are points on the circumference of a circle with a center O. AOC and BOD are diameters of the circle. AB and DC are parallel. So we could see all of this information is right here. All right, let's look at the first question. It says, state the reason why angle ABC is 90. So I marked it here in red. As you can see, this AC is a diameter. And here is the rule of the day, that angle subtended by the endpoint. So any angle, I could say any angle subtended by the endpoints of a diameter to any point on the circumference is 90 degrees. So basically what I'm saying is angle subtended by the diameter to any point. So if they subtend here, it's going to meet at 90. If they subtend here, it's going to be 90. If they subtend down here, it's still going to be 90. As long as it's coming from the end points of the diameter and they go to any point on the circumference, we will get 90 degrees. And that's the reason why this is 90. That's a 1 mark question. All right, let's focus on some other questions. All right, so question 2 says, determine the value of each of the following angles. Show detailed working where necessary and give a reason to support your answer. Angle BAC, back. Let's look at it. Angle BAC. I normally like to mark my angles as I try to unravel. So it says BAC, right? So angle BAC. All right, angle BAC. My bad, let me touch this. All right. Angle BAC. Sorry about that. All right, so angle BAC. BAC. Okay, look at this. Angle BAC. In order to know angle BAC, I need to know the value of P. All right, so working out angle BAC, we're looking, remember that this angle up here is 90 degrees already, and we have a 2P and a 3P that would have finished everything. So let us look at how do we find the value of P first. All right, so we need to find the value of P to determine the angle at A here that they want, BAC. Now let's look at this. Now we can say that 2P plus 3P plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That's a total internal angle in the triangle BAC. 5P plus 90 minus 90, and we minus 90, we have 5P equal to 90 degrees. Divide by 5, divide by 5, then we will get about 18. So 90 divided by 5 will give us 18. So P is equal to 18. So if P is equal to 18, then BAC, which is equal to 2P, is going to be 2 times 18, which is 36 degrees. So the angle BAC is 36 degrees. There are many reasons that we could have worked this out. One of the reasons that we used to work out this, or they said support your answer, we use the total internal angle of a triangle. All right, adds to 180 degrees. So that was the clue that we used. As you could see, when we set it up here, we're saying that that angle at A plus that angle plus that angle together would give us 180 degrees. And yes, that is the reason that could support our answer there. Let's move on to the next question. And we want to find angle Q. So let us look back at this. Angle Q, that's what we want to work out. Now, if we look at angle Q here, we're looking at this angle here. One of the things that we notice, though, is that we're looking at angle in a semicircle here again. So the same idea that we got for 90 here, we're going to get all of this here to be 90 as well, because here is a semicircle, because BOD, we were told, is a diameter. So this angle up here is 90. Remember, we know what P is. So if we know what P is, then we could say 3P. We could say 3P plus R equal to 90 degrees. And we're going to use this to embark on to find a value for Q. Why am I saying that? Is because this is the center. This is a radius. This is also a radius. That makes this triangle an isosceles triangle. Whatever value R is, so the value at R will equal to the value at Q. So the angle Q is the same thing as angle R because it's isosceles triangle, and these base angles will be equal. But we're going to embark on this idea to get R, and whenever we get R, we automatically get Q using the isosceles triangle. Let's go back to the question. All right. So we're looking at the idea now that 3P plus R is 90 degrees. P from the previous working out, P was 18. So we're looking at 3 times 18. So 3 times 18 will give us 54. So basically then we're saying that R is equal to 90 minus 54. And that is going to give us 36. All right? That is going to give us 36. So you could see that R is 36, which means P, not P, which means Q, hold on, let me write it, which means Q is 36. All right, let's look at it. Let's look at it. All right? Q is 36 here. That's one. There are other ways that we could get it. All right? So I'm going to show you another way we could get 36 easily. Remember that this angle here is 36. Angle in the same segment are equal. In other words, the fact that B and C, this distance BC is a chord that this angle here rested on, as well as this angle at A rested on. This angle is the same as this angle. And that the reason for that would have been angle in the same segment. You understand? So we could work it out this way. We get Q to be 36, as well as we could use the isosceles as the reason that we used there. The isosceles triangle was what we used there, along with the semicircle, angle in the semicircle. We also use angle in the semicircle to help us, as well as somebody else just look and realize that, hey, why not use angle in the same segment, right? So as I said to you, Q could be just seen as using back what we had at R, as well as we could use angle A, because angle A is 36, which means angle Q is 36 by using the same segment rule. So there are many ways you could get at these questions. All we have to do is just to focus and answer the questions. I hope this was of some help to you. Thank you for watching.